Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic new feature of Samsung mobile phone. If you already know about it, feel free to leave a comment. But if you are new to this feature, don't worry, I have got you covered. So let's jump right into the video. I will start by opening my phone's gallery and selecting an image that I downloaded from the internet. You can use your own photos too. Now I will click and long press on the image and you can see a small copy appear. Now you can save this image as a sticker or place it into another photo. Like I'm putting it in the sea beach view and resizing it. Just look at the magic of AI. I really love this feature. Now you can save the image with current resolution or you can also increase the resolution. Remember, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you in the next video.